Hello, in this video we're gonna check if REALME C30 has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, let's open up our settings. Here we need to find security or biometrics. Now there should be something like a fingerprint right here, but there's not. We can also try searching in the settings. But there's no results, and that means this phone doesn't have a fingerprint sensor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.